today's video, we're tackling two common issues that many Windows 10 and 11 users face. The protected content cannot be viewed on this device error and problems with Miracast connectivity. If you're trying to stream your favorite shows or mirror your screen and hitting roadblocks, you're in the right place. First up, let's address the protected content cannot be viewed on this device error. This usually occurs due to issues with DRM settings or video playback apps. Here's how to fix it. Right click on the Start button, select Device Manager. Now expand Display Adapters. Right click on it and click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers, then restart your computer after updating. Next, we'll check if Play Ready is enabled. Press Windows plus R, type PowerShell. Now here type Now simply click on Enter. After writing this, simply copy it. Now, if you see an error, it might need to be installed. You can reinstall it via the Microsoft Store. Now, go to Settings and then on Apps, then find Video Playback and make sure Let Apps Use My Playback Preferences is enabled. Now let's move on to Miracast issues. If you're having trouble connecting your device, here are some solutions. First, ensure your PC supports Miracast. Press Win plus R and type in DXDIAG. In the display tag, check for Miracast or Miracast available or not supported. Now, if you can find that it is not supported, that means your device does not support Miracast. Now, make sure your Windows is up to date. You can do that via going to Settings and on Windows Update and check for updates. And that's it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the protected content error and get your Miracast working smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.